أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello and welcome. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoy their weekends, and I've also enjoyed for many of us Muslims, enjoyed the start to Ramadan, or at least the first 10 days of Ramadan. Now I do apologise because I do have not only a cough but sore throat and blocked sinuses due to a cold or flu that I managed to pick up over the weekend. I wouldn't attribute this illness with fasting in any way, despite me fasting for the first time in living memory following my conversion in my late 20s. I do oftentimes meet Muslims who would say, and of course, as is per the Islamic definition, one is born a Muslim or born into a state of Islam. But strangely enough, I when speaking with non-Muslims, they will oftentimes say, "Weren't you born a Muslim?" Which I've always felt quite strange, because is this a priori knowledge? Or is it based on some form of observational practice that this man looks like he might be a Muslim? But I won't get into it, as for obvious reasons. Speaking on matters of religion, especially me being me, many who know me know that I'm not a qualified religious scholar, and so one must see that actually the more I talk, the more I think about what I need to say. The easier it becomes to communicate the message that needs to be sent. And obviously we have here a nationwide Microsoft Power BI shutdown. And this is following the appointment to Sky, and I think in terms of technological interfaces and apps, from a development perspective, they can often be oppressive in many ways, given the sheer lack of vertically structured infrastructures within the design, and from design phase to production development to initiation and delivery, in order to best implement and these things within the real world. Again, like I say, they can only ever be used as amusement tools, rather than rather than something which we can practically rely upon.